That is the solving of linear equation. How to solve the linear equation? First of all, I am going to write a linear equation. Then after I will solve that. You can just calculate that. But you can just see that. First of all, if you want to find unknown number, that means what? No unknown number. I am going to tell you that x. Suppose it may be that x. Suppose it may be that y. Suppose it may be that z, p, l, m. These are the smaller alphabet. Okay. In this equation, I am going to write the equation first. Here x plus 2 is equal to 10. Suppose you given this kind of equation. Okay. Now what will you do? You can just see x plus 2 is equal to 10. That is what? You can just find the value of x. The question is related to that. Just find the value of x. Just find the value of x. You can just see. We want only x. We don't want 2 here. Okay. So that's why we have to put these two. Okay. From here to the side of, from the equal to side, you can just put it here. So that's why you can just see x is equal to 10. Then what is the sign of this one? Minus. Great. It is 10 minus 2. Because of, you can just see here. Whenever the plus sign, on any digit, whenever the plus sign is go from here to the equal to sign here, it will be minus. It is minus. You can just go with that. Now you know how to do that. 10 minus 2? 8. Your answer is? 8. That means value of x is what? 8. But you can just check your answer also. As you know that your answer is right or wrong. How can you calculate that? You can just put the value of that one in this equation. How? You can just see x plus 2. What is the answer? 10. Then what is the value of x? 8. 8. You can just put the 8. Here same as plus. Here same as 2. Then 8 plus 2? 10. Your answer is here. Understood what I am telling? You can just find the value of x. You can just find the value of x. Suppose the equation will be there. You can just find the value of x. But with the calculation, this is the simple calculation, students. But not every time there is a simple calculation. There is a sum of point also. That means what? Decimal point will be there also. Okay? I am going to show you that. Okay. This is the question. You can just see that, oh, 2 times x is there. Here x. What will it be? Huh? You can just see. So, both the x is there. It doesn't matter. You can just follow this concept. I told you that if you have prepared, that means this concept will be there in your mind. You can just solve this type of question. Understood what I am telling? We want only x. So, that's why you can just take x from here. 5x. You can just take 3x from here. Here there is nothing. Then it is positive. That is, do not sign put the point of, that means put the sign of addition. It is positive. So whenever 3x will come from that side, it will be minus 3x. Understood? And if this minus 2 will go from here to here, it will be if you don't know this one, you can just take another step here. Like this. Like this also. Close the book. No. Not textbook. You open the notebook. Notebook is there. You can just see on the board. So here 5x minus 2 you can just take 3x from that side. So it will be minus 3x. Understood? So now you can just go with this 5x minus 3x. X is common. 5x, 5 times x minus 3 times x. It is 2 times x. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. X is continue. Otherwise, I am going to tell you that x plus x plus x plus x plus x. How many times x? 5 times. And minus x minus x minus x. How many times? 3 times. You can just cut that one. 3, 3. What is left? It is also 2x. Understood? Then after, here, minus 4 plus 2. Minus 2. But how? You can just see here. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. How many times? 4 times. And 2. Plus 1, plus 1. Okay? Now you can just cut. Minus 1, plus 1. Plus 1, minus 1. What is the left? Minus 2. So that's why we can just say that minus 2. But still, we want only x. We want only x. So that's why you have to remove x, 2 from here. But 2 is in the relation of multiplication. Here nothing is there. You can just see. Here 2 is in the relation of multiplication. Whenever the multiplication will go from that, it is y. So you can just say that x is equal to minus 2. These 2 will come here divided by 2. Okay. So that's why 2 ones are 2. And what is the answer? Understood? If you want to write, then write. Okay, so now another example for you. It's a little bit higher, so that's why I can just take okay. Now this is another example. You can just solve some of those. So see here. Now here, that means unknown term is y. You have to find that y. Okay, value of y. Suppose the question is like that, find the value of y. Close the book. Whenever I explain you can just stop your work. You can just close the book right now. Notebook. I am going to tell you that means what I am telling for the notebook. Do not close the textbook if you have. Now 7 plus 4y is equal to minus 5. The question is like this, you just find the value of y. Otherwise you will ask this type of question in the MCQ also, in the, that means what, in fill in the blanks also. Suppose this is given and comma, y is equal to dash. Is in place of fill in the blank. Suppose it may be that find the value of y from this equation. The option is A, B, C, D. It is in MCQ. Suppose it may be that whenever the value of y is given and true false, it is right or wrong. Understood what I am telling? You can just solve that one also. If you know, if you want to find the answer, if you want to find the y, you can just solve first, then after you will get the answer. And in mathematics, as you know that there is no any sum is the same from the text. Suppose it may be that fill in the blank, MCQs and true false will be same from the workbook also. And we already sent the workbook solution in group. I think I already sent in the group.
Yes, sir.
You can just keep it with you. Because of students, after this, I will send you also the solution of lesson number 4, 5 and 6 from the workbook. And the rest of the things you will have to do. But from this chapter, suppose I am going to directly start from 7.2. Because of I want to take only 7.2. I want to take only 7.2 in exam, not the other. Because of sum is the statement also. For 1 mark, how can I ask you the statement? How can I ask you? You can just prepare that statement. Understood? Suppose it may be that you can just say 7 plus 4y is equal to minus 5. You can just say that fourth time of y, whenever the 7 added, we will have minus 5. This is the statement. But you can confuse at that time. You can confuse. So that's why directly I am going to start the 7.2. So this is the equation. You have to solve that one also. The fundamental concept of linear equation is that you can just find the statement. You can just write the statement with the help of this. I repeat again. Suppose it may be that in fourth time y, whenever you will add 7, you will get minus 5. You can just write this statement in 2 or 3 ways. As you know that in 7, we have to add 4 times y. Then we will have minus 5. Understood? I am going to tell this only in Hindi that आप ऐसा बोल सकते हो कि मेरे पास 7 कुछ भी है, 7 के अंदर फोर्थ टाइम y मैंने ऐड किया तो मुझे माइनस 5 मिला. या तो आप ऐसा भी बोल सकते हो माइनस 5 के लिए मुझे फोर्थ टाइम y में 7 ऐड करना पड़ा. So this is the sentence type. Don't be scared about this. I'm going to tell you just the information about the sentence that like. But you will have to solve this. You will have to focus on the y. You have to find the value of y. That's it. And you have to put that x or y on left side and the remaining thing on right side. And you know that what is the concept to move from plus to minus, minus to plus, division to multiplication, and multiplication to division. There are interchange. If there is a plus in left side, whenever it will go to right side, it will minus. Whenever the multiplication is there in the left side, it will go to right side. Then it is division. Whenever the division, it is multiplication. Whenever the minus, it is plus. Whenever the plus, it is multiply. It is divide. Multiplication, it divide, and division is that's it. If you know this concept, I'm telling you that you will complete 50% of that sum. Now you can just see in this question. I don't want 7. You can just take it to the right side. So this is the plus 7. Whenever you put this 7 here, it will be 3. That means 4y is equal to minus 5 minus 7. You can just see this. Here nothing is there. It is the plus. Here, any problem? You can just see here. 4y is equal to minus 5 minus 7. Understood? Now, 4y is equal to minus 5 minus 7. Both are the minus. No. Here not kind of that. Here the relation of minus. Here not the relation of multiplication. You can just doing this type of that. Okay. Minus minus plus. Plus minus minus. Like that. No. It's very bad. In mathematics, you are not allowed to talk with this. That minus minus plus plus minus. You can just talk with this that whenever equal sign are multiplied with each other. Whenever the equal sign are multiplied with each other, answer will be positive. And whenever the different sign, you can say that unequal sign, are multiplied with each other, answer will be negative. This is the simple concept of mathematics. You can just say that minus minus plus, plus plus minus. Here you can just see minus minus, you can just say that plus. This is the mistake related to that. I am going to tell you in Hindi that अगर आप ये कॉन्सेप्ट से जाओगे ना कि माइनस माइनस प्लस 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 माइनस, तो आप आगे जाके यही सब में गलती करोगे. लेकिन अगर आप ये कॉन्सेप्ट से जाओगे कि अगर दो इक्वल साइन जब मल्टीप्लाई होती है तो आंसर ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव होता। इक्वल साइन यानी माइनस और माइनस दो इक्वल साइन है तो आंसर पॉजिटिव आया मल्टीप्लिकेशन में। अभी प्लस और प्लस दोनों क्या है, सेम साइन है, इक्वल, तो आंसर क्या आया, पॉजिटिव आया। लेकिन इक्वल नहीं है वो साइन की बात करें तो आप देखो यहाँ पे ये साइन इक्वल नहीं है, ऐसा आप दिमाग में रखोगे ही नहीं कि माइनस इंटू प्लस, प्लस इंटू माइनस, नॉट लाइक दैट। अगर इक्वल साइन नहीं है और वो मल्टीप्लाई होती है तो आंसर माइनस ही आए। लेकिन अगर इक्वल साइन है और मल्टीप्लाई होती है तो आंसर ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव आए। यू कैन जस्ट सी। Got it? Both are the equal sign. The relation is multiplication. The answer will be positive. Both are the equal sign. The relation will be multiplication. Answer will be positive. But here you can just see that both are the different sign. Their answer will be negative. Here also both are the different sign. Answer will be negative. Then why are you telling that minus plus minus plus minus 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 plus minus? You can just here. अभी आपने यहाँ पे गलती कर दिया, दोनों माइनस देखा तो क्या बोला, प्लस है। Then you wrong at that time. Here the relation is not in multiplication. Here minus 5 minus 7. I'm going to write here. You can just see minus 5 minus 7. That means what? Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. How many times? Minus 5. That means what? Minus time. That means minus is 5 times. Minus 1 is 5 times. It is minus 5. Then after continue. How many times? 7 times. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understood? Now, whenever you calculate this one, it is how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is minus 12. So, minus 5 minus 7. It will be minus 12. Now, got it? Any question? Yes? Yes, I can explain this again. Okay? Okay, no problem. Now listen, here minus 5. Okay? I'm writing here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That means minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. How many times? 5. Okay. Same condition is there, minus 7. I'm going to write here minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. 7 times. Understood? Now I am going to take that much addition. I am going to add that one also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But the sign is what? Minus. So that's why it is minus. So in this kind of equation, you can just be careful here. If you miss this sign, suppose if you miss this sign, you'll be wrong at that time. And whenever you will get the answer, you can just check your answer also. You have the facility of that in this linear equation. I'm not telling like that facilities. But you can just calculate that also. This is the key. You can just put the value of that one. You will get the answer. But if there is any kind of mistake of sign, you will be wrong at that time. Then whenever you find, repeat and repeat, you will not get a mistake.
So,
Yes?
so if that is odd number, so the answer is always in minus 10.
I can't understand.
So I mean that if there are two numbers odd, there
Odd, whatever the even number, it doesn't matter. You can just go with the concept. Understood? Now, students, here 4y is equal to minus 12. But we want only y. We don't want 4. 4 is in the relation of multiplication. Here nothing is there. So that's why it is in the relation of multiplication. But we don't want 4. Then with the 4, with the sign of multiplication, that means with the sign of plus also, but relation of multiplication will go this side. What is that? Divide. Great. So that's why you can just say that y is equal to minus 12 by 4. Understood? 4 is in the portion of division. Other? On the other way, you can just write also like this. Like this also. It is the same. It is the same. You can just write division. Sign of division, then after 4. You can just go with that. Minus 12 by 4 also. Same concept is there. But whenever you put 4 as a denominator, then you will get the answer also. Now in the table of 4. Wait. 4 3s are 12. But do not forget to put the minus sign. It is minus 3. Then what is the value of y? Minus 3. Now first of all you have to take the solution. That means what? You have to check the answer. Answer is right or wrong. Okay? You have to check the answer. You can just see. Question is this. 7 plus 4y. Do not write all the question. Only 7 plus 4y is equal to, we want only minus 5. If there is a calculation after this calculation, minus 5 will be there, you are right. If minus 5 will be not there, you are wrong. You can just check your answer from the bottom to the top. From the bottom to the top. Then you will find your mistake also. But some of the students directly completed the sum and then after put it there. Put it away. Yes, my work is completed. Sir, my paper is over. You can just check. Yes, sir, I can check 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Whenever you get 10 times, yes, sir, I can check 10 times. You can just read the paper. Push this. You can just read the paper also. Don't read the paper. You can just check the paper. Don't read the paper. Some of the students telling me that, yes, sir, I read the paper 2 times. What is that? You can just check your paper, not read the paper. You can just read that one, yes, I can complete it, that one, put it down. You can just check your answer also. You have time. If you find your mistake, then you will get the marks. If you find your mistake, understood? Now, here, 7 plus 4, what is the value of y? Minus 3, you can just put minus 3 here. Now, 7. Now, here you can just see. Here the relation of multiplication. Plus, minus, that means plus and minus. What is the sign? Yes, minus. 4 3s are 12. Now, minus 12 plus 7. How can you do that? It is minus 5. Okay? Some of the students telling me that, sir, how? Minus 5. So, I am going to show you that. Suppose you can just put 7. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay? 7. Minus 12. You can just go with that. Minus 12. Now plus minus, you can just cut it from that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4,